Hey guys, today I am going to tell you some basic English phrases that you use in your daily life. Let's start. Do you know? क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? Who is she? ये कौन है? Who is she? Wait for me. मेरा इंतज़ार करना. Wait for me. Shall we begin? क्या हम शुरू करें? Shall we begin? Are you inside? क्या तुम अंदर हो? Are you inside? Why me? मैं ही क्यों? Why me? मैं ही क्यों? Wait for me. मेरा इंतज़ार करना. Nothing else. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Let me go. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Why me? मैं ही क्यों? Why me? See him off. उसे अलविदा करो. See him off. Be attentive. Be attentive. ध्यान से. Be attentive. I feel so. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I feel so. Help yourself. अपनी मदद आप करो. Help yourself. Where do stay? कहाँ ठहरना है? Where do stay? कहाँ ठहरना है? Be seated. बैठ जाइए. Be seated. बैठ जाइए. It is a lie. ये एक झूठ है. It is a lie. ये एक झूठ है. I didn't get it. मुझे ये नहीं मिला. I didn't get it. मुझे ये नहीं मिला. I didn't get it. Where to stay? कहाँ ठहरना है? Where to stay? I can't say. मैं नहीं कह सकता. I can't say. Don't say so. ऐसा मत कहो. Don't say so. I didn't get it. मुझे ये नहीं मिला. I didn't get it. Serve tea to all. सबको चाय दो. Serve tea to all. सबको चाय दो. Cast it aside. इसे एक तरफ रख दो. Cast it aside. इसे एक तरफ रख दो. Cast it aside. Come here. यहाँ आओ. Go there. वहाँ जाओ. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Sit here. यहाँ बैठो. Come here. यहाँ आओ. Go there. वहाँ जाओ. Stand up. खड़े हो जाओ. Sit here. यहाँ बैठो. Sit here. यहाँ बैठो. Sit properly. ठीक से बैठो. Sit properly. ठीक से बैठो. Sit properly. Put it down. ये नीचे रख दो. Put it down. ये नीचे रख दो. Stand still. सीधे खड़े हो जाओ. Stand still. सीधे खड़े हो जाओ. Hurry up. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. जल्दी करो. Do it. इसे करो. Do it. इसे करो. Do it fast. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Take a bite. एक निवाला खा लो. Take a bite. एक निवाला खा लो. Take a bite. Do it fast. जल्दी करो. Take a bite. एक निवाला खा लो. Take a sip. एक घूंट पी लो. Take a sip. एक घूंट पी लो. Take bath. नहा लो. Take bath. नहा लो. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.